In a warm bed of ideologies and post-colonial struggles, Jamaica has produced figures who have shaped their continent and the rest of the world. Val Irvine McCalla is one of them. Among all the confusion, Jamaican leaders have emerged who would shape their respective world for good. Born in Jamaica in 1943, Val Irvine McCalla was an editor, a scholar and a campaigner, and one of the people who brought the cause of anti-racism to the forefront of Britain. Highly educated and obviously driven, believed to be Britain's most sophisticated black newspaper up to this very day. He's one of the people that is celebrated as he has highlighted the many stories of black people in Britain and across the world. He also spoke against executions of black folks in America. Val Irvine McCalla was educated at Jamaica College. He joined the RAF, but a perforated eardrum put paid to his dreams of becoming a pilot, and instead he honed his skills as a bookkeeper. He then found employment in various accounts and bookkeeping positions, before working part-time on a community newspaper, East End News, based near his flat in Bethnal Green. The Voice became a training ground for leading journalists. He owned Chic and Pride magazines, and in 1991 founded the Weekly Journal. McCalla died of liver failure on August 22, 2002, aged 58, in Seaford, East Sussex, where he was buried. Having become a powerful entrepreneur in Britain while running his enterprises, he had embraced the movement of black ownership, and often held small seminars and lectured at venues to eager-eyed young black scholars. There, he would speak on points of theology and argue passionately against imperialism and racism, in speeches which, according to those who remembered him, were listened to with great intention. In June 2021, on Windrush Day, Val McCalla was honored as the founder of The Voice with the installation of a plaque by the Nubian Jack Community Trust outside the newspaper's Brixton offices, Blue Star House. The power of his writing remained striking, and he delivered uncomfortable truths and powerful critiques of imperialism. The first issue of The Voice was printed to coincide with the Notting Hill Carnival in August 1982. Val Irvine McCalla is an icon of struggle, emancipation, peace and brotherhood that guaranteed freedom and human rights. He believed in nonviolent protests and mass action. Val Irvine McCalla was also known as a charismatic man who was known for his integrity. He also implemented many successful policies focusing on equality, education, and ecological preservation. Val Irvine McCalla empowered women and increased access to education. Jamaica has produced some incredibly interesting figures that have led there and other countries through the decades of a developing